Hey guys, unfortunately, we were supposed to have um, a line of storms, and there was a marginal risk, and now it's not really anything. Um, we do have, there were some lightning strikes to the west. We do have some rain. But it's really nothing crazy. There's some heavy rain. And a bit of wind. But yeah, it kind of sucks because I was expecting well, there you go, there is lightning. I was expecting like potentially there's a thunder, some severe storms tonight, and yeah, that didn't happen at all. So unfortunately, stuck with just regular thunderstorms. And yeah, honestly, I'm not really interested right now. I just feel like going inside. There is a bit of wind and lightning, but still, this is not a severe thunderstorm. This is not what I was hoping for today or tonight. It's currently 7:51 p.m. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here and post it on YouTube. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later.